Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video. So today I'm gonna share with you a app review called Google Keep Notes and List. So basically it is notes. So if you have some document or if you have some file, so you can uh, adjust here with this thing, or when you need to send this file to anyone, then you can easily do this thing. So basically it is released by Google. Okay, so here you can see Google Keep Notes and List. So you can download or find this app in Google Play Store and App Store. So you can see the rating of the app 4.4 out of 5. So when you get any app, the app is more than 4, so we consider that the app is good. And 1 million people write something about this app. So you can see 1 million reviews, so it's really huge. And like you can see, it's 1 billion people already download this app. So we'll see about this app when it release and how many people. Here are some uh, feature you can rate. The app is updated 24 April, so they updated daily basis, and 2013 and 10 years ago. So 1 billion people, more than 1 billion people already download this app. So here are some screenshot. Like you can pin or you can change. So you can add, you can type, many things available here. You can change the theme. I will upload more video how to use this app in upcoming tutorials, so please subscribe my channel. And today's no more friend, and thank you for watching.